Welcome to the kitchen. Come and play. We've got a magic button to start the day.
Are you ready? Are you steady?
1, 2, 3.
At the sky, what's falling down? A giant donut, the biggest in town. Pink and sweet, it's such a treat. The only thing I want to eat.
Wait, Arda.
Stop! That's too much sugar.
It'll make you slow.
Not a heavy lister.
Sugar rush high, then a beeping phone. But's not the best choice at all.
Watch me now, I'll tap it light. Something healthy, something bright. A giant egg and cheese soy hello. For a strong and happy little fellow.
One big bite and a blowing blue.
I got the power and so do you. Push the button, watch it fall. Giant food, we love it all.
A giant soda, bubbling red. I wanna drink it all, he said.
Hold on, Arda.
Look at the sign.
A skull and crossbones.
Not a good design.
It'll make your tummy spin and shake.
That's a giant fizzy mistake.
Splash! Here comes the watermelon slice.
Cool and refreshing, it's more than nice.
Dripping leaf juice, red and sweet.
This is the ultimate summer treat. I'm bouncing high, I'm jumping fast. This healthy energy is built to last.
The moon is up, the kitchen is blue.
I want some chips.
How about you?
Oh, Arda dear.
It's getting late.
Greasy snacks can surely wait.
They'll keep you awake when you need to rest.
Let's find the food.
That's the very best. A giant green tree
No, it's broccoli.
and a glass of milk as light as can be.
Lekker, lekker.
It tastes alright.
I'm ready for the stars tonight.
Good night, friends.
See you in the next dream. Don't forget to subscribe.